Hi everyone, let's make a quick and easy little snowman ornament. You can personalize him, write anything you want on him. And as always, use the clay brand of your choice and make sure you condition it. We're going to start out by making his body, which is a tapered triangle or a log. And now remember, only flatten it slightly. Don't make it really, really flat. We don't want flat ornaments. And then we're adding just a round piece of clay, and this is going to be the sign he's holding. And it's supposed to look like the sign is made out of snow. And we're just going to smooth it out a little bit. There we are, nice and smooth. This is so quick and easy. I made so many of these. Now we're going to make a log for the bottom. And this is where you can personalize it with the name, or you can write anything you want on it, or nothing at all. Now I made many of these in pink and blue and wrote Baby's First Christmas on the bottom, and then the baby's name in the ball with the year. We're making his arm, and now don't press it on yet. We're going to change it up. We're going to move it. Oh, I did a lot of writing in this video, didn't I? Ball for his head. This is a video I made a few years ago. Oh, look, I'm telling you, I'm no longer doing I can't. Wow, what's wrong with me lately? I can't talk. So, okay, we're going to make a green scarf. Flatten it out slightly. And again, for those of you who are new to this, we're going to show you how to make the candy cane. But first, we're going to make his hat. Again, a pointy triangle. Flatten it out a little bit. And then just press it on his head. And we're going to make the brim of the hat. Boy, I didn't make it long enough there. Make it long enough. And we're going to texture it with the needle tool. Just press down little lines. Makes it look like a knit cap. And now I do call this my laughing snowman, but you do not have to make him laughing. You can make his face any way you want. Now I want you to pay attention and see how much red has come off the red clay. It's one of the worst clays to get the color off. Here we are making the candy cane, and I guess you noticed I did not wash my hands, so I may have a little bit of a pink in there on my white. At this point I don't see it because I don't really have that good eyes anymore. And now we're going to fold over his hand so that he's holding the candy cane. Now we're going to finish his scarf. Just flatten it a little bit and add it on to the side. Gosh, this couldn't be any easier, could it? The ones I made with the pink and the blue sold quite well. These did too, but I think the Baby's First Christmas ones sold a little bit better. Now, I'm doing this because that's his hand. That is not the end of the hat. And on either side, as you read there, those are snowballs. Oh, and I wanted to tell you all that, oh, here, wait, first, we're going to do our leaves, holly leaves and berries. Of course, I do it on almost every ornament. I did want to tell all of you that I have started a Facebook group, and it's a place where if you want, you can come and join, and we can share pictures of what we've made by following my tutorials. And I would love to see all of your pictures of what you've made. I think it'd be a lot of fun. We could help each other. We could have discussions, talk about craft shows, and just a good place to meet and see what everybody's doing. Now we put a black nose on him. Of course, you can put an orange nose on him if you prefer. And you can also paint on the mouth if you prefer. And of course, in the Facebook group, I'll be happy to answer your questions. You can also put all your questions down below in the comments, and I'll be happy to answer. Okay, everybody, blush before you bake and add your hanger. I think I forgot to do the hanger on this one. No, I see it in the picture. I'm pretty sure I did. And then bake according to the instructions on your package of clay. And wow, we are almost done. How fast was this? Amazing. There you go. Stick him in the oven and then paint on his eyes. Or you can use seed beads, whatever you prefer. There he is. But to make him laugh, you got to do those eyes like this. See you next time. Bye.